The control panel is located above the door. When connected to the mains electric, the camper van symbol on the top left of the control panel will be illuminated. Using the control panel, you can operate the lights, water, monitor the leisure battery, vehicle battery, and the fresh and wastewater levels. Push the main power button in to activate the control panel and the energy supply. Once the control panel is on, you can operate the light switches located throughout the van. To get running water, rotate the main button 3 times to the right until the tap symbol is illuminated. Push the main button in to activate the water pump. The dot below the tap symbol will now be illuminated. To check the leisure battery level, rotate the main button once to the left. This will illuminate the current voltage level and the leisure battery icon. In order to get a true reading, the camper should not be connected to the mains electric. To check the vehicle battery level, rotate the main button twice to the left. This will illuminate the current voltage level and the vehicle battery icon. Once the voltage drops to amber, you need to charge the vehicle. Rotate the main button once to the right to show your fresh water fill level. Rotate the main button twice to the right and it will show you the grey wastewater level. The trim system will control the heating, hot water and airflow. The first option is the central heating icon. Scroll to the left and click the button to select, and then rotate the knob until you reach your desired temperature. Press to confirm. The next icon is a thermometer and controls the water temperature. If you select this, you can scroll to find your ideal water temperature. Low, 40 degrees, or high, 60 degrees, and select this once done. The boost option will also heat your water quicker. Hot water and heating cannot be on boost at the same time. The next symbol is your energy source. Here you can choose what energy source is used. Available options are gas, electric, or a mixture of both. Before you turn on the heating or hot water, please ensure that you have selected the correct energy source. Please also remember that electric will require the camper van to be plugged in at the hookup point. The last option will be to use the vent to control the airflow. This can be turned on to circulate air around the camper van, and the speed can be adjusted. Your motorhome will come fitted with a 2 or 3 burner gas hob for cooking. Remember to turn your gas on and open a window or roof for ventilation before you start. Lift the gas cover off the cooker. To start the cooker, twist and press the cooker knob down and use the ignition button or cooker lighter provided. To use the sink, simply lift the tap and move from left to right for hot or cold water. Remember, you will need to turn on the water pump on your control panel first. Kitchen utensils and cooking equipment can be found in the boxes provided. Light switches, 2 30-volt sockets, 12-volt sockets, and USB sockets can be found in various areas around your camper, including in the kitchen and by the bed. To use the lights in the camper, please ensure your control panel is switched on. Don't forget, 2 30-volt sockets will not operate unless the camper van is plugged into the mains power with the electric hookup cable. Windows can be opened by pushing the button on the lever in and twisting. Push the window open and wait for the struts to click in place. To close, push the window further out to release the struts and bring the window down again. Your fly screen and blind will slide down the runners and clip into lock. The blackout blind can be closed in stages. Curtains can be pulled open or closed as shown. To remove the table, push downwards on the two clips attached to the supporting rail and lift off. The table leg can be adjusted by pushing the black button and rotating 90 degrees. This allows the table to be placed on the lower supporting rail when converting to a bed. To secure the table to the supporting rail, simply place the clips on top and push from underneath to lock. In your motorhome, you will have a shower and a toilet. You will find the light switch for the bathroom underneath the cabinet in the majority of models. If your sink is over the toilet, you can slide this away. To do this, lift the black release lever vertically and slide the sink away from the toilet. This will lock in place. To flush the toilet, firstly ensure the lid is facing down. Then press the electric flush button to rinse the bowl. Pull the plastic slider towards you to open the toilet cassette. The shower will turn on using the tap and can be adjusted left or right for warm or cold water. To open the roof light, pull the fly screen down, pinch the opening buttons, and push to open the window. Some motorhomes come fitted with skylights, which can be opened to allow fresh air to circulate around the vehicle. To operate the skylight, first, carefully open the fly screens and blackout blinds. For skylights with a button, push the button down and slide the window open using the plastic bar. You can close this by pulling the bar closed and over the button as shown. For skylights with a pull bar, pull the bar downwards, slide along the track until the skylight is open and click into place. Simply slide the bar back to close. Remember to close and secure all hinge windows and skylights before driving off. The fridge can operate using three main power sources. These are gas, mains electricity, and the vehicle battery. Select your power source using the buttons on the front of the fridge. The A symbol will automatically select the most appropriate power source. Choose the mains power option to chill the fridge when you are plugged in using the vehicle hookup cable, for example, at a campsite. When you are not connected using the electric hookup, you can choose the gas function to power your fridge. Should you select an unavailable power source, your fridge will beep and display a red warning flash. The fridge can only be powered through the vehicle battery when the engine is running. This function is best used when driving from place to place. Please note that overfilling your fridge will make it harder to maintain temperature. We also recommend that you don't put too much weight in the door. The fridge can operate using three main power sources. These are gas, mains electricity, and the vehicle battery. Select your power source using the buttons on the front of the fridge. Choose the mains power option to chill the fridge when you are plugged in using the vehicle hookup cable, for example, at a campsite. When you are not connected using the electric hookup, you can choose the gas function to power your fridge. To ignite the fridge on gas, rotate the chill dial to maximum and push in along with the igniter button until the red line moves into the green zone on the gauge. Once the red indicator remains in the green zone, the fridge is operating on gas. The fridge can only be powered through the vehicle battery when the engine is running. This function is best used when driving from place to place. Please note that overfilling your fridge will make it harder to maintain temperature. We also recommend that you don't put too much weight in the door. Guests travelling in the Europa or Family Traveller Plus can take advantage of the drop-down bed. To lower the bed, first remove the headrest from the passenger seat. Release the buckles on the bed as shown and pull the bed down until it clicks into position. The ladder will attach to the side of the bed. Don't forget to replace the headrests on the seats before driving off again. The dining area in the Grande and Family Voyager converts into a double bed. To do this, first remove the table by pushing down on the two supporting clips and lifting off. Adjust the table leg by pushing the black button and rotating 90 degrees. This allows the table to be placed on the lower supporting rail. On each side of the chair, you will find a slide-out panel. To unlock the panel, push the silver button on the sides and use these as handles to slide out. Bed cushions can be found in the cupboard of your motorhome. Simply place these into position as shown. If your vehicle has swivel seats in the driver's cab, these can be turned towards the dining table by pulling the lever. Make sure the handbrake is not obstructing the seat before turning. You may need to adjust the seat forward or back before twisting to avoid this. There is a variety of safety equipment in your camper. This includes a first aid kit, warning vest and triangle, fire extinguisher, and carbon monoxide alarm. These can be found in each camper and are checked before and after every rental to ensure they are functioning.